Choose the correct answers. What was the name of the first computer that filled an entire room? Which part of the computer is considered its brain? What device helps us type letters and numbers? Fill in the blanks. The first computer was called dash. The dash is the brain of the computer. Dash helps us type letters and numbers. True and false. ENIAC was the first computer. Smartphones are larger than early computers. A printer is used to watch videos. The CPU is the brain of the computer.